transition between complete ideas by indicating comparison, contrast, results, and other relationships. It can join two main clauses. However, you need to put a semicolon before the conjunction adverb and a comma before it. Main clause plus semicolon plus conjunctive adverb plus semicolon plus main clause. List of conjunction adverbs. Accordingly, also, besides, finally, similarly, still, however, and many more. Examples: Leon's apartment complex does not allow dogs over 30 pounds, otherwise he would have bought the Gangly Great Dane puppy playing in the pet store window. In this sentence, otherwise is the conjunction adverb. The dark skies and distant thunder dissounded Clarice from her afternoon run. Moreover, she had 30 calculus problems to solve for her morning class. Moreover is the conjunction adverb. Transition word or signals. Connecting word or phrase that act like bridge between part of writing. Signal pass to indicate to the reader the order and flow of writing and ideas. List of transition words. Function, adding information. In addition, besides, moreover, in fact, furthermore, also. Contrasting information. Here are the examples. On the other hand, nevertheless, on the contrary, by comparison, in contrast, however, despite. Comparing information. Similarly, and also. Ordering information by time. After, at first, secondly, eventually, before, since them, next.